Good morning to flowers and flowers of the world too. And this is Dave Hurr. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel, Dave Hurr, on YouTube. And we are looking at dahlias here at Baddesley Clinton in Warwickshire, United Kingdom. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. I quite like the palm ones, but some of the wide open ones are even better. There, look at that. Isn't that superb? Oh, I keep saying it was nice, but that was superb. What a lovely word. What a lovely word is superb. I don't know what those purple ones are. I see those all over the show. But beautiful pink there, look. And a flame orange. And a pom pink one through there. Very nice. Now my microphone lead has wrapped itself around a dahlia. Yes, so there's still plenty of buds there, look. As long as we haven't had a frost, I suppose they will keep going. These are normally in another bed, the one I showed you earlier, but of course the problem there is that they got a disease and they had to be taken out of that bed. Carnations, still going there, pink carnations. Digitalis, foxgloves. And these little purple things, no idea what they are. If you go onto my YouTube channel, perhaps you could tell me what these are. Leave a little note and say what they are. I'd be most grateful. As I said in the last video, I do love flowers, but I don't know what they're all called. I do know these are dahlias. Not nice. We're back to nice again. Now that's a mixture of a pom with the other ones. Look at those sweet little things. Lovely, lovely flowers here. I love these. Such a beautiful mixture. Look at the colours on those. Aren't they great? White ones. You see the other flower bed in the background. How about that for a scene? Look. It's not beautiful. You can see the other ones in the background. I don't know what those are. Are they Love's Lies Bleeding? Tiny little flowers. Beautiful. So, and what are those, for goodness sake? I don't know. I don't have a proverbial clue. Again, they're sort of have gone past their best. But I think up here I have seen some Michaelmas daisies again. It's blowing today, so I'm glad I've got the microphone with the potato. Oh, lupins. Lupins mainly seed, but there's a few beautiful flower heads on the top there. Yellow ones over there. Chrysanthemums. Those are chrysanthemums, and they're looking like they're still going. Again, I used to take those to school when about 60 years ago. Now, I've forgotten the name of those, but they were ones I did know. So, little insect getting pollen or something. No, I can't remember what they're called. The Michaelmas daisies have seen better days, and no idea what these are. No idea at all. And these are the ones that are dried flowers. So if you take those, pick those and put them in a vase, they will stay forever just like that. just as they are there, with the colour retained and everything. So those are, they feel more like paper. Very strange flowers. So they're already dried out, so you don't need to, they don't die when they dry out because they're already dried out. Now this is a, look, there's a great big plant there which has seen better days, and one little flower on the top. It seems a big plant for the flower on that. Don't know what these are. Well, with that, I think we've seen the best of the garden, so we'll look back down at those lovely flowers, the greenhouse with the grapes in it, and I'll say bye for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please feel free to like and share. Bye for now from Baddesley Clinton, Warwickshire in the United Kingdom. This is the Rambling Rambler, Dave to his friends. Goodbye. Right.
I think we better go up.